I'm gonna need to think of a really, really good intro. Oh, Cali skies. What's poppin'? We back. I'm back. Coming at you live from SS Customs in Redwood City, California. We don't have a crazy amount of stuff, but we got a lot of stuff, as always. Always a full shop around here. So, start things off. C8's back in for front bumper redo. He got a couple rock chips in it already, so he wanted to touch that up and get it all looking pretty and perfect again. We got this Range Rover here. You know, super pretty, super good black. In for a paint correction and ceramic coating. Yep, just a paint correction and ceramic coating. Just what you would think, you know. Coming over here, we got the Ferrari. Right, this one's called the Superfast, right, Cam? What's this Ferrari called?
812 Superfast.
It's the 812 Superfast. We got the 2018 812 Superfast coming at you live.
Superfast.
A coveted Superfast. It is getting a full paint correction and ceramic coating on this bad beezy right here. Bad girl in red. Got Sharif and Cam off camera here. Then we got this sweet little ZL1 Camaro. Caleb interrupting my video over there. You hear him? Yeah. I can too.
That's all they hear is Caleb.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, they won't hear me.
No, he's good. I'm just gonna ask him. I'm taking him home. Oh, okay.
6 hours later.
We got this sweet little Camaro piece. Getting a full body camouflage in satin black by Avery Dennison, KPMF matte phantom black, and Avery Dennison gloss obsidian black. Yeah, we still live, we still doing it, we still getting through the day here. We got this red Model YN. I don't know what it's here for. Follow me on Instagram at Sean Stavert or at seanstavert.evo9. I got an Evo, yeah, you'll be seeing that soon in the vlog. Caleb's just kind of going off and I don't really know what he's saying. It's probably not that funny though. All by our in-house person right here, Tiago, who's hammering out on his next project. He's got this Model 3 going in a matte blue. Blue, I don't know which specific one, but it's from 3M. It's pretty nice looking. Here we can get a full spectrum of this side going down. Gonna get the whole 9 yards, coating. Lots of good looks going on with that one. I'm sure you kind of just saw this one that I'm about to show you. It's the pink Model 3, another pink. What's the exact name of this pink, Cam? Do you remember? It's Momentum. Yeah, that's what it is. It is Momentum Pink by KPMF. Very bright, very vibrant. Probably one of my favorite colors that we've ever done at this point. It's been the most popular color for the last 30 days for some reason. I'm not against it, kind of love it. What do you guys think? You tell me. I think this shit looks poppin'. And then, so we got, all right, so moving on. I mean, not say and then, because moving on, we got this black, it's really big. I would assume it's an ML. And then we got this Shelby GT350, getting a full front end with a coating and the paper says full front end. And that is it. So it is getting a full front end, and then it will be leaving the shop. Looking amazing. I'm gonna restart the sign off because the sign off wasn't that good, so whoever edits this. Looking forward to next week. We got a lot more projects coming in. I get to start my project soon, so stay tuned for that. Please feel free to tell me what I can do better. Tell me what more you'd like to see, what else we can do for you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. Toodles!